Hi, it's Kathy from Raven Vintage. In theory, this should work. I'm not sure which day I'm going to post this, so I'm just filming this right now while I had the thought. And you'll see in the title what day this is for the 100-day project. Somewhere around 29, 30, 31, something like that. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm going to post first. So I've made myself this little, it's just a triangle, just as a template. Took a little doing, it's probably not exactly perfect. I have a colored envelope. There's a few in that box of envelopes I was gifted. And this is perfect. And I was waiting for the right paper to do this with. And right now we are using the Tea Party Sampler kit for the next few projects. So this matches nicely. And this is my idea. I wanted to do a bunting. It's been on one of the ideas I had. So I thought, well, this is also a very good way to use up some scraps because these are so tiny. So let me get rid of some of these bigger pieces. We already have a page laid down from the ephemera folder. So I have these scraps left, and any one of them is just fine. So I want to get a few of these different patterns, and I want to start with the smallest bits of paper that I have. And I think, I don't know, I'm just going to fold some of these and hopefully this fits. Yep. So I'm just going to start snipping. I don't know how many I can fit across. I'm going to guess about 5, but let's just try it. So I have some gold. In the last video I mentioned I want to start digging out all of my stuff that has gold, because here's an opportunity. I don't use the gold quite as much, and this kit definitely affords me the opportunity to do that. Oh, let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 is probably plenty. Okay, so those two are cute. What else do we have here? And it's the smallest little bits. I definitely want to get some of this in there. So let's just maybe fold that in half. Get 2 out of this. Let's see. Let's try. Oh, I really want to get that pink. I really want to get that pink. So I'm just going to go right along here with my little template, little triangle template. I don't know why we don't put more of these. Well, maybe you do, but I don't ever think of it until, well, I do think of it obviously because I'm doing it, but after I've done a journal, I think, why don't I do little bunting? I mean, you could make them so super tiny, but this is a good size for this envelope, I think. I just think it's the cutest way to jazz up an envelope. Okay, so we did get some of the pink. So if I alternate those, and then who wants to be in the middle? Maybe, maybe this pink. Maybe more of the pink, the rose. Yeah, I think so. I think so. I think so. So I really want to try to capture as much of this as possible. So I'm going to just lay my template right along the edge here. Like that. I have a few template tracing ideas to do. So I'm not sure which is going to come out first. Okay, Okay, very quickly we have, oh, so cute. Okay, now the next thing is we need to just trim off the corners because they will show once you roll those. These guys all together. Oops. So they are roughly the same size. Should be. Sort of. Okay, so I just want to, I'm just going to cut off the corners like this. Okay. And I just need a little bit of this pretty string. Not much at all. See, supplies wise, this is not going to take much at all. So my thought was I probably should ink these up, but I'm not. You can. Oh, that's still didn't cut off quite enough, so maybe it's better to cut it after. After you glue it to the string. See what I mean? It's just poking out the sides. It's not too bad, but see that right there? We'll have to trim that off. Okay, so again, this will be a great project for my precision glue bottle. So again, this Tea Party sampler that we're working with, it has smaller bits. This was the middle, right? That's it. So I'm just gluing that around the string so I can see where I just need to trim off that little bit of paper there. That side's okay. Okay, so let's just keep doing that. Just gonna fold these all up quick. Should go pretty quick. And I think I'll do this gray kind of color. So it's got the little bit of pink and this gray blue, like that. Let's get them laid out how we want them. That. I like it. Or should I put the green in the middle maybe? Nope, 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 like this. Okay. Okay, so let's just, this is fast, isn't it? Fairly close together. Like I barely left any room between them. Oh, it's just so cute. So cute. So bunting is day whatever we're on. Bunting. I have a bunting actually in my Etsy shop. I'm pretty sure it's still there. It's like a party size. It's a printable that you can print, cut just like this and glue just like that to your whatever string, your twine or whatever you're using. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. Okay, one more. So yes, this is just a quick one today. I thought about doing it as a reel, but I just thought, no, I want to tell you just how excited I am about this one, and couldn't really do that in a reel with just some music. Okay, so my thought is to, because I want to see some of the gold. So I'm just going to maybe even, I'm not sure. We'll see how this works first. I might have to use some washi tape. Yeah, I probably should use some washi tape, right? There. And there. like that. I want it to hang and swing a bit. This green color. Isn't that cute? I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, let's get it in our book. Our big book of ideas. Look at our book. It's huge. Okay. I think that is just absolutely fabulous. So I'm just going to glue this down onto the page. And of course you could use the envelope as a pocket. I'm happy on 2 occasions here to get to use these green envelopes for something. And to get to try this bunting idea. I love that it has movement in your journal. Oh, that's cute. That is so cute. Can't really shake it. Okay, so knocking everything over. Okay, so this is day, don't know, but it's a bunting. So once I figure out what day it is, I will write the day in. Bunting. Okay, very fun. Well, thank you very much for hanging out with me again for a short video, but a super cute one. All right, there we are, bunting. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.